All right, here we go. Here's a really quick Hasselblad A12 Film Back, replacing the light trap, light seal thing. Really quick. This is for people who I've got experience taking stuff apart before. It's just going to be a really quick takedown. I'm not going to bore you with talking too much, which I'm already doing, so I'm going to stop. Okay, take out the cartridge, fine. Take out the dark slide, fine. Unscrew those 9 screws there, no problem. And then that comes off, brilliant. Turn that over and you'll have a little seal in there, which is 3mm by 68mm. I'll put up a little flash visual of the size of the foam that you're going to need. So what you need to do is get that old piece of foam out, which I've already done. Replace it with a new piece of foam. So I've cut this out, 3mm by 68mm. I like to use closed cell, very thin foam. It won't degrade as much as open cell foam, blah de blah. Stick that in there, make sure it's down really tight, lovely. Once that's stuck in there, you're gonna go to the main light trap here, take out the light trap as it was, and it's in 2 pieces. The silver bit, as you can see, all of the foam on there is degraded, so I've cleaned it off and I'm going to put on a new piece of closed cell foam. So I will stick it the right way around onto there. Then that will go back inside the little folded bits with the foam facing outwards, like that. That will then go back into the light trap perfectly. Then we can put our cover plate with the new piece of foam in there, put our 9 screws back in, wallop, all done.